You know, sometimes life feels like a loop. Wake up, work, eat, sleep, repeat. And somewhere along the way, we forget who we wanted to be. This is the story of Elena Vargas, a woman who spent 30 years building everything except her dream. She was a civil engineer, brilliant, hardworking, reliable. But the dreams she once sketched when she was young, dreams of bridges that touched the sky, were buried under safe choices and practical paths. One cold morning, she found her old sketchbook, page after page of impossible, breathtaking bridge designs. And in that moment, she realized something painful. She had walked so far from the person she was meant to be. She could barely recognize herself. But here's the thing, dreams don't die. They wait. When her company announced a new bridge project, she was given a small, boring assignment, something anyone could do. But something inside her whispered, try. So, at night, when the office was empty, she worked alone, sketching, calculating, creating. Not because she had to, but because she remembered the fire she once carried. And then, one night, the CEO saw her drawings. He didn't see an employee. He saw an artist, a visionary, someone who had finally stopped hiding her own brilliance. 2 days later, Elena became the lead designer, and for 2 long years, she built the bridge she once only dreamed of. When it finally opened, people gasped. It reflected the sky. It glowed at sunset. It became a symbol of hope. But Elena's greatest achievement wasn't the bridge the world could see. It was the bridge she rebuilt inside herself, the one connecting who she was to who she was meant to be. Listen to me. It is never too late to return to the dream that made you feel alive. You don't need permission. You don't need certainty. You just need to begin. Because sometimes, the most beautiful things in the world come from the dreams we almost walked away from.
This story about Elena Vargas carries some powerful lessons. Here's a simple breakdown of the lessons we can learn from her journey. 1. Don't forget your dreams. Elena worked hard for many years, but she forgot what she really wanted to do. Sometimes, life makes us forget our dreams, but it's important to remember them. 2. Dreams don't disappear. Even if you stop following your dream for a while, it is still there. Dreams can wait for you to come back to them. 3. It's never too late. Elena was older when she started following her dream again. It doesn't matter how old you are. It's always okay to start chasing your dream.